Hello, hello, hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is an impromptu video. I wasn't planning on making it, and this is actually the after effect of the video. It is turkey and rice soup using Thrive Life ingredients. We'll be back to tell you how we made it. Alright guys, here we go. So, my daughter came out to the kitchen and she was like, "Mom, we only got one more can of turkey noodle soup left, or chicken noodle soup left." And it's just one of those small little ready to serve cans, because I get my kids little Campbell's cans. My daughter, because she likes sometimes a small thing of soup really quick. And I was like, hey, well, I have an idea. Let's whip up a big thing of soup for dinner really quick. So I had her pull out 2 pints of turkey, because I had made, the turkey was left over from holiday dinner. I had made the turkey and then I canned the leftover turkey and made bone broth out of the turkey. So I made all the turkey into pints instead of quarts, because I wanted the turkey for like soups or sandwiches, quick and fast. So 2 pints is equivalent to 1 quart. So you can do 1 quart, you can do turkey, you can do chicken, you can do any kind of fowl that you have. You can even do it with pork if you want. And then I have 1 quart of turkey bone broth. Again, you can use chicken. You can use any fowl. You can use pork if you want. If you want to use beef, I'm not sure how it would work out. You would have to try it and let me know in the comments down below. Then we added, and my daughter did all of this herself. I just provided her with the ingredients and she did it. Then there's 1 cup of Thrive Life peas, 1 cup of Thrive Life instant rice. If you don't want to use instant rice, you can make and use homemade egg noodles if you're doing turkey or chicken. I'm not sure how pork noodle soup would taste, but pork and veggie would. You can do potatoes instead of the instant rice. You can add other things to it. I have a 1/2 cup of diced peppers and a 1/2 cup of diced onions also. You can add the big Thrive Life onions. You can add the big Thrive Life peppers. If I had carrots, I would have added carrots. If I had celery, I would have added celery. If I had potatoes, I would have done potatoes instead of the rice, but since I didn't have potatoes, we did it turkey and rice. You can change it and do so much with it. This is just basically a soup base, a starting point for soup, and you can vary it in any way you want. Just remember, the more Thrive Life ingredients you use, the more liquid you need to have at the start. Alright, then I added an extra quart of water and an extra pint of water because of all the dry ingredients I used. And then I added a tablespoon each of parsley, oregano, and garlic, because we just want a simple soup base. And then 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. If you want, you can add any other spices you want. You can subtract any of these spices you want. You can add more of, less of. You can alter it in any way you want. Again, this is just a basic soup base. And then we brought it up to a boil. We didn't put it on a high. We put it on 6 or medium. And got it up to a boil and boiled it for 15 to 20 minutes until it was done. We boiled it for 20 minutes because of the rice that's in it. If you don't have rice and you have potatoes, you might have to boil it longer. If you have carrots, you might have to boil it longer. You just keep an eye on the vegetables and taste it and test it every once in a while, and you'll be able to tell. And that is all there is to it. It is a simple, easy base. And look at the beauty of the colors in that. The rice is amazing. I'm not sure if the onions and the rice... Ooh, I'm fogging up this camera screen. Hang on, guys. I'm coming to the rescue. Meow. Green screen. Okay. So, I'll try not to get too close. Alright, the onions and the rice colors seem to blend together. I'm doing it to you guys again. But look at the color in those peas. The color in those peppers. The green peppers. Right here. Red peppers. Peas. Rice. Here's onion. Yum. I cannot wait to dig in. You can smell the amazing flavors. One thing my dad always taught me, my dad's a culinary chef. One thing he always taught me when he was teaching me to cook when I was growing up is sometimes simple spices, simple ingredients are the most wonderful and diverse flavor you can have when it comes to good home cooked meals. Alright guys, thanks for coming along on this impromptu hashtag freeze-dried Friday, hashtag Thrive Life video, hashtag pantry meal, hashtag quick, easy, fast dinner. Simple dinner. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. It helps my channel grow. The more my channel grows, the more time and energy I can put into all of this stuff. Alright guys, thanks for coming along. Like I said, leave me a thumbs up. It helps me grow. Share it. I've already said all this. We'll see you guys in the next one. Leave a comment down below if there's anything else you'd like to see me do, as I love taking suggestions and ideas. Alright guys, bye. And remember, stay positive. See ya.